good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's your boy Donny House, and right now I just want to take you along on a journey with me to create something that is gonna be really dope. I think. Um, but yeah, I want you to come along with me as I design my 30th birthday fitted cap inspired by none other than this right here, Dare Earnhardt Senior fitted cap designed by Pro Image Sports. So without further ado, let's get to designing. Right now, I have a completely blank mock-up up on the screen right now. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color this guy. We gonna color it because I want it black. So we're gonna go over here and see if you can see that. That black is dark. So we're gonna keep it that way. We're gonna go all black. Black brim, black crown, black botan. But Donnie, but Irv, we can't see, like, it's too black. That is fine. That's fine, because all we gotta do now is find our file right here. Boom. We gonna have white seams in this guy. Why? Because I can't have it just like this. It's gotta be different. It's my 30th birthday. It's gotta be different. So you know how I'm gonna be different? I'm gonna do contrast stitching. It already looking good. So if you know Dale Earnhardt's car, he has like this gray strip at the bottom. So represent it. In order to represent that gray strip, we are going to color the undervisor gray. Cool. That sounds good. So let's get into, we're gonna close these folders. Let's get into the logo design and placement. So let's go with the front logo first. Yes, front logo first. Let's grab, actually, I don't need to grab anything. We're going to type it. Microgramma is the font used for, I'm gonna make it right. It's the font used for the number 3 of Dale Earnhardt's number 3. So we're gonna make that a good old 30. Actually, and we're gonna do, let's center this. Sorry if that was very, very loud, but let's center this. I would really hope if my audio is, I really hate if my audio is like really trash right now. Oh, that would be bad. So now we have the font, and we're going to, let's add a stroke. Actually, yeah, let's add a stroke. Let's add a stroke real quick and see if it's too close. That's fine. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna convert this to a shape so that we can add a stroke that is not rounded. And we're gonna add a red stroke like the hat I'm wearing. Put it on the outside. Oh, that's too big. That looks good. So now I'm going to convert this to a smart, nope, I don't have to do that. I'm going to go to blending options, and I'm going to add a stroke, another stroke, and I'm going to have that be gray. And this will be substituted by, well, we'll use the gray to substitute metallic silver. When it's actually put together, it'll be metallic silver. So it'll have a little bit of shine. So Dale's number 3 is slanted, so you gotta slant that guy. Yeah, let's slant that guy. That looks about right. I'm going to enter. All right, let's center this. Let's center it. Save it, and boom, we have our 30 on there. That's looking good, but it looks very, 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 very plain. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our side logos. And this is for both. So for the side of my hats, I always put a halo, because I know a lot of people call hats crowns, but I call them halos. That's just an Apt House thing. Love the, I do not. Yeah, I love the imagery of, I love what a halo means. You know, it means you're an angel. It means you're heavenly or heaven sent. So we're gonna stick with the halo. Stick with the halo. Let's zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna rotate it some and shrink it in, so it looks more like a 3D halo. And we're gonna also change that color to silver. Also have a silver halo. Let's save it and take a look at it, see how it lines up. It is huge. It is way too big. Yes, we do not want this that big. Definitely don't want this that big. Oh dang, you just lost it, man. You lost the. Nope, let's just take that stroke down. Alright, let's save it again, see what we got. We used to go over some, and I wouldn't mind decreasing the angle. Let's move it over to the right a little bit. Let's decrease that angle some. It has to be slanted, because if it's not slanted, it'll just look like an O or an oval. It still just looks like an oval. I need to change the perspective. So we gotta do that a little bit. Let's try that again. Now make it a little bit, give it a little bit of perspective. I'll take it. And we have to bring in something on this side. Let's see. That was made off camera, or it was colored off camera. I don't know if it's actually, because back in 2018 I designed a bunch of racing tees or racing merchandise. So I have a racing logo that will go, an Apt House racing logo that will go good with this design. Now I just have to find, oh, there's NASCAR. Let's bring it in. We're gonna resize this, throw it up in the box, rotate it. And we're gonna check and see what that looks like first. It could be bigger. That one could definitely be bigger. On the side patches, I don't really, go too crazy about side patches, because I'm new to the fitted cap family or community. So I like a big side patch. I think I could go bigger. Yeah, let's go bigger. A little bit though. All right, we're gonna check that, and we're gonna move it over to the right. Save that one more time. There we go. Okay, we can go over to the right some more. Okay, cool, that looks good. All right, so we got the front, we've got the left side patch, and we got the right side patch, we got the underbill. So final thing we have to do is add this back logo. And I can't use a NASCAR logo. Well, I won't use a NASCAR logo, and I won't use like a Batterman logo, because this is not baseball and I don't have a New Era account. So let's pull in. Actually, let's close these, because these are finished. These are done. So let's go to the back. Here we are. we already have it loaded in here. So let's recolor this. I'm gonna use a silver halo, of course. Oh, it's a smart object. Silver halo. I'm gonna use a red outline. And yeah, we're gonna use it to keep that black on the inside. We're gonna save that. Save the first smart object. Save the second smart object. And booyah. Well, we can't have it looking like that now, can we? Let's boost this opacity back up, and boom, there we go. So we've got the 30, we've got the halo, we've got the Apt House Collective Racing logo, and we have that back hit, that DA stands for Donny Apt House. So yeah, so this is it. So the next step is we're gonna put a tech pack together, and after we put the tech pack together, we're gonna put in the order for with our manufacturer and wait the month that it usually takes to come in. And I promise you, as soon as it comes in, I'm running right back to the camera, setting it up, and we're gonna unbox this thing together. So I really hope that the design translates well to in person. But yeah, with all that being said, in all that you do, in every way that you can, by all means, be apt. I'll catch you next time. Peace.